In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn these results without showing your face. This video has 438,000 views, 36,000 likes, 5,000 shares, and 170 comments, and I don't even show my face. So make sure you watch this entire video as I show you two different ways that you can make money on TikTok without showing your face. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so first things first, let's take a look at this video that has earned almost 500,000 views. Now, this is by far my most popular video. Let's take a look. And as you can see, I don't show my face at all. This is simply a video about Etsy and making money with table numbers. Let's run through it. You can see, I don't think I ever show my face in this video. And most importantly, this is one of the two ways that is stupid simple. Now, this first way, I am simply pointing my iPhone, this phone right here, right into my camera. As you can see the screen's pixelated just a little bit, and I'm running through whatever topic that is. The second way, I'll show you just a moment. But the way that you can find topics is really, really easy. The first thing that you can do to find topics to create content is to jump over to YouTube. Jump over to youtube.com and find influencers, find people that are already in your niche. The great thing about this is these guys have already done the research. They have already gone and found topics that work. And so what you can do is you can simply piggyback off of these topics. For example, let's say our niche is in social media marketing. So we're going to type in Instagram, and let's see, we can see Instagram monetization. We could type in like how to grow on Instagram. Let's say how to grow on Instagram. And we can hit that. And the great thing is you can go through, watch every one of these videos at 2x the speed, pull out the relevant parts, and create a TikTok video exactly how I did. Basically, what I'll do is I'll open up a Google Doc, as you see at the beginning of this video, and I'll just jump from screen to screen to screen. Now, if you know how to operate and run TikTok, that part makes sense to you. You just press the button to start, stop it when you're done talking, go over to the next screen, and move on. But the first thing that you should do is find people that are already in your niche that have gone through and done the work on various topics. Now, obviously, you don't want to just steal their content. You want to make sure that you make it your own. So that's one way. The second thing that you can do is you can go to websites that are already in your niche. So if I'm talking about making money online, it makes sense to use websites like Fiverr, like Etsy, and do a little bit of research. Let me show you how I do research on Etsy. I go to etsy.com, and what I'll do is I'll just type in printable. Type in printable. For some reason, there we go, type in printable. And I'm just going to scroll through and see things that are interesting. If we scroll through, we can create content on digital planners. I know that I can use Etsy to create digital planners. Boom, I've got a video. We can scroll through and find different ideas. And we just simply create those ideas. What you'd want to do in this instance is called reverse engineering. You have the product, you have the solution, just work backwards and then show people how to do it step by step, and you will grow. You'll get hundreds of thousands of leads. That's exactly what happened with this video. I reverse engineered the process. I found that people were interested in downloadable wedding table numbers. So if I type in table numbers here and hit enter, I spelled table number correctly, but you can see table numbers right here, printable table numbers. In fact, I think this might be the one that pops up in the video, and I work backwards. If they're printable, I know that I can do it over on Etsy. If I want to be different than other people, I know that I can change colors, and that's exactly what this video is. It sounds complicated. It isn't. As you can see, this is basically the beginning, middle, and end to the end result that I just showed you. So make sure that you find the end result and then figure out the process, figure out how it started. Reverse engineer, work backwards to forwards, and then upload it over to TikTok without showing your face. So that's the first way. Another thing that you can do is you can go over to a website called Answer the Public. I really like Answer the Public because it is a search aggregate. It collects search queries from around the internet on every single topic. So if we go down here and we could type in we could type in web hosting, for example. Type in web hosting, go to search, and it's going to come back with a series of questions that people are asking about your keyword or keyword phrase. So we've typed in web hosting, and the only drawback to Answer the Public is you only get 2 free searches per day. That's only a problem if you don't have a VPN. So that might be something that you want to look into. So what we have here is we have 68 questions that people are asking about web hosting. So we're going to click on data. We're going to click on data, and as you can see, now we have questions that we can answer. Now instead of reverse engineering, we're moving forward to the end. So if we look at this, this says how web hosting works. We could create a quick guide doing the same process, showing people how web hosting works step by step. And you can do this with anything. Where is web hosting on GoDaddy? If you can figure that out, if you can't figure that out, copy this, jump over to Google and paste it in. People have already answered the question. Now, again, you don't want to just blatantly copy people. You want to do a little bit of research and then put it into your own words. That is going to be key for your success. Where to buy web hosting. You can create a video, 5 best places to get web hosting. These are done for you questions that you can answer, put them in a 60-second video, and you will start building a following and you'll start making money as long as you put in either an affiliate link or a link to your product or service, whatever it is that you're selling. Put that link in the bio. Now, one of the questions that always pops up is, I don't have 1,000 followers yet, so I can't put my link in the description. What I recommend that you do is simply put your link at the bottom of every single video. If you look at my videos, I have a call to action in all of my videos. Start a side hustle, alstongodbold.com/TikTok. I have that in all of my videos in the event that someone wants to go to their desktop and type in this website, or if they want to just leave the app and then copy and paste or type it in. I always keep it there just in case. I also keep it there on the swipe. So when you're thinking about it on TikTok, people are going from bottom to top. When they get to my video, the first thing they see is my title of the video. The last thing they see is my website. So if they're remotely interested, they will actually check out my website. Either they'll decide to buy or they won't buy, but I think this is a great opportunity. So this is the first way to create content on TikTok without showing your face. The second way, and possibly the more professional way, is simply to jump over to one of my favorite websites in the world, Canva. Now with Canva, you can create videos very quickly. They have a ton of free tools that you can use to create TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, all of that stuff really, really easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on video here, and it's giving you a few options. We are going to simply select mobile video. You can also do like a Pinterest pin if you wanted to. Either one of those works. Now the cool thing is there's a ton of templates over here that we could use to help us create content. So we could click on background. We could find a background that's relevant. Another thing that you could do if you don't want to use anything from Canva is you can use a website called Pexels. Pexels has a number of free images. So we're going to go to pexels.com, hit enter. And the cool thing with Pexels is you can find both photos and videos. What we were using, let's type in, let's try printable. Printable is going to be our keyword that we're going to use. Hit enter. And you can see there are a ton of options. Now for this keyword, there aren't any videos, but that's fine. We could use this, and we could use text overlay over the top. Let's find something that's a little bit more popular. We'll type in beach. I had beach up before. We'll type in beach, and then we're going to go over to videos. Now, one cool thing that you can do is you can change the orientation. So we only want vertical videos, and boom, there you go. We have vertical videos that you can add right over to Canva. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to download this. We're going to download it for free. And next step is to go back over to Canva, and we are going to find our video. As you can see, there it is on our computer. What we're going to do is we're going to find our video, and we are going to simply drag and drop it over so that we can see it on our Canva canvas. So here we go. We've got that just like that. And as you can see, here we are. So this is our new video. And right now the video is 30 seconds long. If you wanted to, you could shorten it. Of course, you could expand it, increase the time. And to do that, you'd want to add another scene here. But as you can see, we've got a video here, and what we can do is we can simply add text over it. And let's see, we'll go down to text, and we will click on add heading, and we can say something like, do you need a new office or something? And then we're going to slide that up. And what I like to do when it comes to creating TikTok videos is I always like to leave a little space at the top. And if you're using Canva, I recommend that you go over to Elements and you use a, what I recommend that you use is go back to, we'll get off of background, go to shapes. And then what you can do here is you can simply just make sure that people can read this. All right, so we've changed that right there. And then we can always adjust the transparency just a little bit so it stands out in the crowd. So you can do all of this. Another cool thing with Canva is if we go to, if we go down to frames, here, and they actually have different frames that you could use. For example, you could use this frame. And the reason why I'm showing you this is, we're just going to increase this just a little bit. Position, we'll put that in the center in the middle. And what we could do is go back over to uploads, and we could upload that right into our frame. Pretty cool, pretty easy. And so if we wanted to, we now have our beach inside of this frame. Now you can do this with all sorts of frames. There's actually there's this computer one, there's a mobile phone one that works pretty well also. So if we wanted to, we could expand this just like this so that it takes up the full screen. We are again going to center this. It looks like that's good to go. Go back over to Elements, and then we could drag it just like that. And then we could say, do you want to get away or something like that, and make money. So hopefully this makes sense. Make sure that you're uploading 3 to 5 videos per day. And again, none of this requires your face. This is the beautiful thing of Canva and the other method that I showed you. Make sure that you add a call to action. Always have a hook, story, and offer in all of your videos, all of your content. So you direct your customers to the next step, which is to click on your link and buy the product that you're recommending. So I just got done editing this entire video, and I realized that I never actually showed you how to make money with TikTok. I showed you everything else, how to find keywords, how to create the content, but I never actually showed you how to make money. So let me show you how to make money. It's actually really easy, really simple. There's a number of ways to do it. You can do drop shipping, you can sell your own products, but if you're just getting started and you don't have those things, you don't have money for drop shipping, you don't have your own digital or physical product to sell, you don't have a t-shirt company, you can start with affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. Now, with affiliate marketing, the cool thing is literally everybody's doing it. And I just want to show you an example of people that are doing affiliate marketing, and then I'm going to show you how you can start affiliate marketing as well. So if we type in best, we can type in best anything under anything, and it'll be an affiliate link or affiliate marketing based content. So we could say best, we'll say best cameras under $500. And all of the links, all of these videos have affiliate links in them. You see that link right there to Amazon? That's an affiliate link. When people click on that link and they buy the product, the content creator gets paid a commission. It doesn't increase the price of the product at all. It just rewards the content creator for recommending that product or service. So now that you know on a crash course of what affiliate marketing is, let's talk about how you can do it. The easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing is to use an affiliate network like ClickBank. They accept basically everybody, and you can go to clickbank.com and sign up. But what I recommend that you do is I recommend that you try and work with products and services that you already know and that you're already comfortable with. For example, let's say you're in the fashion niche, or you're in the makeup or health and beauty niche. Let's say you're in the makeup niche. What you can do is you can go up to your search bar and type in Ulta. That's really the only makeup place that I know because I see it frequently. And we can type in Ulta affiliate program. And you can just check and see if companies that you like or that you're interested in have affiliate programs. Now, a lot of people are going to run right over to Amazon because Amazon's the largest affiliate program in the world, but you can work with individual companies. Heck, you can even work with multiple companies in order to make money. But as you can see, Ulta does have an affiliate program and you could potentially make money. But what you'd want to do is simply find an affiliate program or multiple affiliate programs that you want to work with. Click on here and then sign up. Go through the steps to sign up. Make sure that you are comfortable with the commission structure. The commission structure consists of how much you'll be paid and the length of time you have to earn a commission. But as you can see, it's really easy. You just go through click join and it will take you through the steps of signing up. You can also sign up for Amazon. You go over to Amazon Associates, and as you can see here, you're going to click on sign up. Now, when you sign up with Amazon, they are going to require that you have a website, a blog, or a YouTube channel. So I recommend creating a YouTube channel if you don't already have one and clicking sign up right there. and going through it. You can also get here by going to Amazon.com and scrolling all the way down to the bottom and clicking on Become an Affiliate right there. That's going to take you to the same place. But there are a number of ways to find affiliate products to promote. If you are in the makeup niche, you can type in Makeup Affiliate Program, as you can see there. Makeup affiliate programs, and there's going to be a list of them. As you can see, Sephora is at the top. There is a blogger has listed 91 beauty affiliate programs. You can click on this and just search and see if there's one that you're interested in. For example, we type in Ulta. You can see Ulta Beauty is on there. You'll also find probably Sephora and a number of other ones. Also, you can go to alstongodbolt.com. Just type in alstongodbolt.com, hit enter, and I have blog write-ups on a number of affiliate programs that you can take a look at. As you can see, Western Union, Lydia.com, go through and see if there is one on here that is of interest to you. So there's a number of ways to make money. What I recommend that you do, always add a call to action at the end of the video to have your customer to click the link in your bio to learn more, or click the link in the description to learn more. They click on that link. It can be an affiliate link, or it can be a link to a landing page where you collect their email address, but that's a different story for a different day. So I showed you everything in the very beginning, and then as I was editing this, I realized I never actually told you how to make any money. And so this should help you out greatly. Jump up to your search bar and type in a company that you want to work with. For example, you could say Gap Affiliate Program, hit enter, and then you can go through the process of signing up to become an affiliate for the Gap. It's that easy. Now that you know how to make money on TikTok without showing your face, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.